I often talk about social adaptation or adaptation in general, and things like right friendship and how incredibly important those things are. A very related thing are right or good mentors and teachers in general. A noble friend or teacher and social adaptation are forms of teaching after all. But this leads us to the very important question if there is a replacement for teaching in person and if only online stuff like videos or reading is just as good as offline stuff. But first, a small discourse on why human communication and learning might be a lot more complicated than you think. And a surprisingly small portion of the communicated information happens via words. Aya Kamer, for example, used to say that studies of her time suggested that only about 7% of all communication happens verbally, and I tend to agree with the general trend. Humans further communicate via, for example, smells and pheromones, via looks, like is the person in front of me beautiful, happy or confident, or the color of the voice. Does the person sound confident? Does the person sound like people we know? Further, the status and the reputation of that person, and many more things. All in all, humans are much more willing to accept information from someone that is a lot like them and preferably a bit more successful and desirable. And the following questions, for example, are of much bigger relevance to our monkey brains than the information in the words. For example, is that person dangerous? Is that edible, what is in front of me? Is that person in front of me a potential mate? Does that person look or feel confident? Is that person popular? Is there an advantage for me in spending time with that person? All those questions are, evolutionarily speaking, of much bigger interest to our, pretty old mechanisms in our minds and brains. After all, civilization is relatively young, and our brains are pretty much still the same as, a million years ago. Okay, but with all of this in mind, it becomes pretty clear fast that most of those ways of communication only work in person. Social adaptation only really works in an offline environment that isn't too different from what we adapted to, because most of the information channels are simply not available via online. A book or an online tutorial and even online coachings can never be a full replacement for a personal teacher or mentor or coach relationship. It can still be a big benefit though. After all, one of the big advantages of a coach is that he can learn you and thus give you the exact information you need at the right time and in the right form. And no static medium will ever be able to supply such a thing as a personal coach can. By now it should be pretty clear that I favor personal teaching, but very few things are fully one-sided. Therefore, here are some advantages of online coaching or reading or video material. Well, those things tend to have a lower barrier of entrance, and people feel often more confident or comfortable reading than asking in person. And online or reading material has the advantage that it is cheap and available and you can consume it at the right pace for you. An online coach has the advantage that he can hide certain character traits of or communication channels that would hinder you from accepting good information from him. However, this works in a bad way too. But even with all these advantages, keep in mind that you can just do both and reap all the benefits. There is no good argument that can be made for just online or reading. Okay, but let us now come to a summary. All in all, tiny portion of all people can succeed swiftly with just online material like videos or ebooks. The vast majority of people progresses much, much faster with a mentor in person. That said, people with a mentor can still additionally read and educate themselves with static materials like ebooks or videos. If you have the chance, bind yourself to a good personal mentor, even if that person doesn't seem too keen on having you around. A person that has a good personal coach or mentor will progress at a much higher rate than everyone else. that person can utilize the entire evolutionary arsenal and communication channels. Okay, and that's pretty much it for today. Thank you very much for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you feel like I missed something, feel free to let me know in the comment section so that other people can benefit from your wisdom. But until then, I wish you a pleasant day and goodbye.